Now that we've understood what exactly are functions and what is object-oriented programming, now we'll see how can we solve a real-world problem, or what are the steps, or what is the method to solve a real-world problem. So let's say you want to make a lemon juice. You're craving for lemon juice because it's summer and it's really hot outside. So the problem over here is, how do you make lemon juice? So let's see how can we find the solution. So what we do is we'll take a step-by-step approach. So first we'd have to check if we have all the ingredients to make lemon juice or not. So you would need lemons, obviously, to make lemon juice. Then you would need a glass of water, you would need ice cubes, and you would also need sugar or salt according to your preference. And now, if you don't have all of the ingredients available, that is when you'd actually have to go back and get all of the ingredients. So this is the first step. Now that you've got all of the ingredients, then you'll go ahead and cut your lemon into two halves. And after cutting the lemon, you'll squeeze that lemon into a glass of water, and then you'll add sugar, and then you'll stir it really well. After all of this is done, all you have to do is add in ice cubes and then serve it to all of your guests. So this is the step-by-step approach to making lemon juice. Now, this is what is actually known as an algorithmic approach. So you have a problem to which you're trying to find out a solution, and you will come to the solution by having a step-by-step approach. So let's say you have the input. Now you'll have a certain number of steps to be followed, and then you'll come up with the output. So this is what is known as an algorithm to find out a solution for your problem statement. Now, let's take this problem over here. So let's say you are given a number and you have to find out if the number is even or odd. So this would be the step-by-step approach. First, you'll start off by taking a number. So let's say the number given is 10. Now what you'll do is you'll take that number and you will divide that number with 2. So if the remainder when you divide 10 with 2 is equal to 0, that is when you'll say that it is an even number. Otherwise, if the remainder is not equal to 0, then you'll say that it is an odd number. So this is how you'll come up with this algorithm. Now, similarly, let's say if the number is 7. So again, you'd have to do the same thing. So you'll take in 7 and then you'll divide it with 2. So if the remainder is equal to 0, then it's an even number. On the other hand, if the remainder is not equal to 0, then it's an odd number. So obviously, for 10, it is an even number because remainder is equal to 0. And for 7, it is an odd number because remainder is not equal to 0. So this is how you can formulate an algorithm to come up with a solution for the problem statement.